So let's start your interview. So this is a mock interview,
Mm-hmm.
and the question I'm not promising you that should be similar in the your current your actual interview. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so please make a note of it. And yeah, so I would like to ask you first. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, yeah. Like myself, Shubham Kumar Gupta. I am from Bhagalpur, Bihar. So in 2018, I graduated from CMIT Bangalore in Electronics and Communication Engineering. After that, I got placed in Larsen and Toubro Infotech, and yeah, currently I am working in TCS. So out of 5.5 years of experience, I have 3 years of experience in banking domain and 2 years of experience in manufacturing domain. And like about my family, my father is in Indian Air Force and my mother is housewife. And about my hobbies, I like to travel different places and I love trekking. That's all from it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you have the CS background, right?
Electronics and communication background.
Okay, electronics and communication. Okay,
Yeah.
so okay, so do you have any knowledge in database management?
Yeah, I have some hands-on in DBMS, DB2 majorly.
Okay. Uh, so do you know what is the normalization and what is the
Mhm.
benefit of normalization? If you can quickly tell one or two points.
Like normalization, there are four forms of normalization: one NF, two NF, three NF, and three NF. Uh, the major the advantage of normalization is it removes a redundancy of data. So yeah, this is the main advantages for the every step. Like from fourth step till third step, all the redundancy is removed.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. The follow-up question will be: do you know the primary key?
Yes, I know the primary key.
Okay, so can you explain the difference between primary and foreign key? Just one
Uh,
difference.
Okay. So, if there is a table one, and for example, there is a one unique key, that key will be the primary key. And we have table one and table two. Table one primary key is using the table two primary key. For example, the table two primary key is referred as a foreign key.
Okay, so you mean
Yeah.
the same table can have both primary and foreign key, right?
Right.
Okay, so what is the use of foreign key?
To merge both table, we like to find the unique data to get the data from the both the tables we use foreign key.
Okay, looks good. Okay, so do you have any knowledge in networking, computer networking? I mean, not in corporate, but in like just a theory based knowledge if you have.
Yeah, yes, theory based knowledge I have, but not in as a corporate.
Okay. Do you
Yeah.
know IPv4 and IPv6?
Yes, yeah.
Can you explain why we need IPv6?
So IPv4 is like 4 byte and IPv6 is 6 byte. So we are switching from 4 to 6 because there are some limitations of uh, there are some limitations with IPv4 related to domain names. There are some limitations because after that, because it is having 128 bytes, so we are moving to IPv6.
Okay, great.
Mhm.
Um, okay, okay. So, do you have any experience in programming? I mean,
Yes, I like from 5 years I am working in mainframe domain.
okay. So, which language you are using preferably?
Yeah, COBOL, JCL, DB2.
Okay. Um, what do you think? Which language uh, is the most relevant in banking sector?
Safest security wise, we can say for database mainframe is largely used in banking domain because it never got any security breach anytime in till now.
Okay. Do you know what is COBOL
Mm.
copybook?
Yeah.
Can you explain it?
So copy books are for example, You can define of some variables, right? Like multiple programs have multiple variables, so we can use copybook so that redundant step is removed. So we can include the copybook to call all the variables.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Fine. Um. Okay. Okay. Do you know what is the disaster recovery in banking system?
Yeah. Yes, not yeah, but for example, in my project, like during COVID time, half of the team was moved from Mumbai to Pune,
Okay.
because like if there are the server issues during COVID or there is any lockdown in Mumbai region, at that time there was less cases in Pune region. So if there was a lockdown in Mumbai, so we can operate from Pune. So like for the secondary purpose, we use to like continue the process of the banking sector.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
So in the current situation, if you see in the banking,
Mhm.
we are facing lot of security issues, right?
Right, yeah.
So take one example and let us know how would you secure customer data in banking system. What technology you can use, and what will be the, I mean, what you can do, in short.
In short, like for the data encryption, like we can use encryption and decryption of data to like so that the if data got leaked, it cannot be manipulated from their end. So encryption and decryption can be the best option which can be used in banking sector. And firewall we can use to protect unwanted attacks. So as of now, I can remember these two things.
Okay. Okay. Good. Do you know what is API?
No, not
Okay.
aware of API.
Okay,
It is
no
a front,
worries.
as I know, like it is a front end which is used in like Java, but not hands-on about that.
Okay, so just telling you, it is a like it is a interface which is basically help us to integrate any application. Okay, so suppose you
Okay.
want to
Hmm.
merge two services. Okay,
Hmm.
in that case we can use API to create a bridge between, so that we can easily transfer the data. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now coming to the next portion. Okay.
Hmm.
uh, do you know what is CBS?
Yeah, I know about core banking system. So, for example,
It's not core
there is
banking system, it's core banking solution.
sorry, yeah, core banking solution, right? So for example, there is a SBI bank, so all the SBI in like India and all the ATMs related to like which is handling by the SBIs are connected with a single server. So for example, if I want to withdraw money from any like from the like I'm staying in Pune, if I want to withdraw money from Gujarat, then the system it will be updated. So like a single server you use like whole for whole system. So it is a single solution for storing the data, or a single service used to like transfer the information.
Okay, okay, yeah. Um, do you know what is NEFT? NEFT?
uh, Not sure about the exact
Okay,
thing.
okay.
Mhm.
Um, do you know UPI?
Yes, I know that.
Okay,
It is unified payment interface. So, like in UPI, there is a real-time transfer of money, and so the advantage of UPI is like we can transfer from one bank to any bank. Like there is no limitation. Like we need to transfer money from SBI to SBI. We can transfer money from SBI to Bank of Baroda or any other banks.
okay. Do you know who owned the UPI in India? I mean, in India it is discovered. So who owned it? Like which corporation in
Uh,
India?
Being BHIN.
No.
Okay, I'm not sure about that.
Okay. So it is NPCI, the National Payment Corporation of India.
Okay.
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 And for your information, it is designed in 2016. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now coming to digital banking. Okay. So what do you think? So first tell me what is KYC?
uh, know your customer. So it is used to get the information about the customer. It is valid customer, like all the details are valid, like it is linked to the Aadhaar card. So it is for the verification purpose from the bank end.
Okay, okay. Do you know any application in SBI?
I like there are some application,
Mm-hmm.
you only need one is used, and from TCS, BN CS is used, and like from Infosys, there was one software. I just missed that part,
Okay,
but yeah, these are some software.
no problem. Yeah. So for
Mm-hmm.
customer perspective, we have okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and for the employees perspective, we have Finacle from Infosys.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, Finacle. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, majorly we are using that. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm, okay. What is your understanding of blockchain in banking?
So currently, CBDC, central bank digital currency, is launched by RBI. So in that, blockchain is used. In that part, I know actually. So in that thing, money is transferred from one wallet to other wallet, in which banks are not allowed. So in that process, blockchain is used. So, and blockchain is used because I guess it is secured. Uh,
Okay. Okay. Good. So you said you have work in banking also, right? In Bangalore.
right, banking dome. Yes.
So what was your position there? I mean, what were your
So
work?
So my designation is IT analyst. In from the offshore, I am leading as a team lead. There are two subordinates under me. So from getting the information from the client to delivering to like within the team requirement within the team, and just giving all the requirement till and to again to the client, I am responsible for that.
Okay.
Mhm.
Do you face any situation where the application crashes
Mhm.
during the peak hours?
Okay.
How do you handle? If you not faced,
Uh,
can you hypothetically assume this?
So, for example, if there any application related to mainframe is down, so we will receive P1, high priority incident. So the SLA for that is 2 hours. So we need to if from first thing I need to understand what is the issue. If there is like a high level issue which I am unable to understand, we need to meet with the business requirement. We have a meeting inside our team to get the solution, like from business and or technical end. After that, if we will are able to get the solution, this is the approach we usually take during any server shutdown or there any P1 issue.
Okay. What is
Yeah.
SLA?
Full form, service level agreement. It is the agreement from the customer,
Hmm.
within this is the time period which we need to finish the work. Other, if not, we need to pay a fine.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Mm, okay. So you have work under some teams, right?
Mhm.
So there is a situation. How do you ensure smooth coordination between IT teams and banking staffs? I mean, non-IT peoples like manager in finance. How would you coordinate?
My manager is from the non-IT domain, like he completed from MBA. So the first level of interaction with the client is from manager, that requirement gathering. After that, we have a meeting inside our team to gather the information from the manager end, and after that we connect with the client to gather the other information, if technically if we require from them. So this is the process we take. There are two levels to interact with non-IT, and from non-IT as a take the designing part, and from client to gather information
Hmm.
technical wise.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay. And why you want to join SBI, not banking, because you already work in banking. So why do you want to join SBI?
So because the growth and opportunity I can see is very nice in State Bank of India, and like it is a largest PSU in India. So this is the main reason, and the other reasons is like I want to work for an organization for a long time, which I cannot work in an IT domain because the growth and opportunities are less, and I can say promotion cycles are very nice in SBI too.
Okay. Okay. Why not corporate?
Because the growth is for growth and opportunity we need to switch again and again. So yeah, but I want to work for one organization for longer time.
You don't want to change too quickly?
Yeah, I can say that.
Okay.
But here we need to like we have to change one organization from with like 2 3 years.
Are you interested to change the technology?
Yeah, I'm ready to change ready to take change the technology. It is like new things I can take.
Okay. So I'm just assuming one situation,
Mhm.
and you see there is a fraud going on in the banking, right? A lot of
Okay,
scams and cyber.
right.
Okay. So can you tell how the artificial intelligence and machine learning can improve this fraud detection in banks?
Uh, okay, so like AI can be used, for example, if we get a call from like a number which is like in Truecaller or in other apps, it is marked as fraud. So before getting that number, AI can use to block that particular call. So yeah, this way we can handle by using AI. I'm not sure how it will be handled by machine learning.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Do you know about modern banking?
Modern banking as in related to the technology world,
Kind of.
or uh,
Yeah, yeah, it is a modern banking. Suppose we are doing RTGS, NEFT, UPI. This comes under the modern banking, right?
okay,
So
okay.
why, like, why there is a need to go to the modern banking or digital banking?
As per my understanding, for security purpose, to avoid the paperworks and like to like for
Security in the
any
sense.
security in the sense like paperworks can be leaked by any means, but yeah, like
Hmm.
CBS system is secured, like data CBS is using some database, and like after
I'm
uh,
talking about customer perspective, because RTGS, UPI, and these are used by customer, right?
yes, 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 to
So,
ease the process maybe from the customer end.
mm, okay. See, a bank system was already using the uh, that software, Finacle and all. Okay,
Right.
why there is need of UPI? Why there is a need of RTGS? These things I'm talking about. What is the need?
Like UPI is implemented to stop because money fraud is also one concern. Like by using UPI, like we can handle less cash from our end. So
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, it is a benefit from like customer end to not carry any cash, and we can use a single app to pay anywhere
Okay.
anytime.
Okay. Okay. Good. I think we are done with your interview. You can ask
Yes.
question if you have any.